I'm trying to do an experiment with black walnuts. Supposedly, if you compost them long enough and right enough, they'll be good compost. But otherwise, you wouldn't want to use them because they're full of tannins and they'll kill plants. The tannins will. And then this is where we start out. So I'll get a big pile of leaves. This was a huge pile to begin with, you wouldn't believe, last year. And leaf trimmings and or yard clippings and all that go in there. And then that sits for so long. And then I turn it into this bin. And then when that's ready, I turn that into this bin. And then it goes into here where the worms are by the time it cools off. So this is hot composting. So that'll get really hot. Then when you turn it, it'll get hot again. Turn it, hot again. Turn it, not as hot, and ready for the worms. So, and then of course I add other things to the worms like food scraps and such. So I'm not sure if you can see how this pile hasn't gotten so far yet. Even though it's looking pretty good. And this pile is a little farther along. Wow, look at all those roly-polies. That's awesome. Yeah, roly-polies are good for compost. They'll help break down all the cellulose. And that is way more done than that one was. And of course this is pretty or even more done. I'd say about another month or so I can harvest that. Probably even less. Alright, and that's my compost procedure. I'm signing out.